Welcome to our guide on installing the Feather iOS app in 2025. Let's dive into its amazing features. First, make sure your iOS version is compatible with the Feather app. Navigate to your settings and check your software version. Now, let's access the App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the App Store icon to get started. In the App Store, use the search function to find the Feather app by typing its name into the search bar. Review the app details, including permissions, to understand what access the Feather app requires. Once you're ready, tap Get to download and install the Feather app on your device. After installation, open the app and set up your account by following the prompts on the screen. Explore the initial app interface and its settings to understand how to navigate the Feather app effectively. If you encounter installation issues, check our common troubleshooting tips available within the app. Congratulations on installing the Feather app. Take your time to explore its fantastic features.